Why the Sky is High? Bakit mataas ang langit? By Prince John Bumanglag. One day, it was a beautiful day, and the sky was low and the earth was new. Isang araw, ito ay isang magandang araw at ang langit ay mababa at ang lupa ay bago. In their village, they hung their things on the clouds like their necklaces, cooking items, pans, pots, and even their baby cradle. Sa kanilang nayon ay isinabit nila ang kanilang mga gamit sa mga ulap tulad ng kanilang mga kwintas, mga gamit sa pagluluto, mga kawali, mga kaldero at iba pang mga bagay at maging ang kanilang duyan. In a small village of Pinili, there was a hard-working father who was cooking for his family when his family left to go to the market to sell corn. Sa isang maliit na nayon sa Pinili, may isang masipag na ama na nagluluto para sa kanyang pamilya nang umalis ang kanyang pamilya at pumunta sa palengke para magtinda ng mais. When he was done cooking, the father was quickly planting his corn to sell. However, the baby girl was bawling in her cradle in the clouds. Nang matapos siyang magluto ay mabilis na nagtanim ng mais ang ama upang ipagbili. Ang sanggol na babae ay humagulgol sa kanyang duyan sa mga ulap. The father was trying to plant, but the low clouds were in the way of the father planting corn. It was very hard to plant because the clouds were too low and it was not raining. Sinusubukang magtanim ng ama, ngunit ang mababang ulap ay humahadlang sa pagtatanim ng mais ang ama. Napakahirap magtanim dahil mababa ang ulap at hindi umuulan. The father was so angry about the cloud that he shouted, "I wish the cloud would go up to the sky so I can finish planting corn." The Lord heard the father who wished the sky to go up. So the sky started to rise up with the baby girl. Galit na galit ang ama sa ulap kaya sumigaw ang ama, "Sana ang ulap ay tumaas sa langit para matapos ko ang pagtatanim ng mais." Narinig ng Panginoon ang ama na nagnanais na tumaas ang langit. Kaya nagsimulang umakyat ang langit kasama ang sanggol na babae. As the father saw his baby girl go up with the sky, he was praying to the Lord to bring his baby girl down. Nang makita ng ama ang kanyang sanggol na babae na umakyat sa langit, siya ay nagdasal sa Panginoon na ibaba ang kanyang sanggol na babae. The Lord accepted the father's apology, so the rain brought the baby girl down. Tinanggap ng Panginoon ang paghingi ng tawad ng ama, kaya ibinaba ng ulan ang sanggol na babae. This is why the sky is so high and the rain always falls to water the rice. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit napakataas ng langit at laging pumapatak ang ulan para diligan ang mga palay. A Filipino folktale, adapted for a modern audience and told in English and Tagalog, printed with the support of a Good Idea grant in April 2025. Waipahu High School's Multilingual Marauders!